Hi, I'm Tori, a product engineer at Edmund Optics. Today, I'd like to introduce the Evident Scientific WLI Infinity Corrected Interferometry Objective family. These specialized objectives range from 10x to 50x magnifications and are designed for white light interferometry systems used in high-precision surface metrology. Their optical design enables high-resolution surface profiling over large fields of view, making them ideal for non-contact measurements of surface roughness and microfabricated structures. The Evident Scientific WLI objectives integrate easily into white light interferometers and are commonly used in semiconductor inspection, MEMS surface analysis, and precision manufacturing applications. These objectives can be paired with our range of optical components, enabling you to build fully customized surface metrology systems. You can find the Evident Scientific WLI Infinity Corrected Interferometry objectives, along with over 35,000 other optics, photonics, and imaging products at edmundoptics.com. If you have any questions, our product support engineers are available 24/7 with live support to help you select the best objective for your application.